What's up, legends? Erica here. Imagine finishing a brutal workout. Your watch instantly tells you exactly how long to recover. Then you answer a phone call from your wrist, blast your victory playlist with no phone in sight, and still have 12 days of battery left. That is not sci-fi. That is daily life with the Garmin Venu 3 smartwatch. If you're done with watches that die before dinner or give you useless data, this is the one that finally gets it right. Link in the description to grab it and keep the channel rolling at no cost to you. Let's go. First, the features that make the Venu 3 an absolute monster. 1.4-inch AMOLED screen that looks like a mini smartphone, stainless steel case, only 46 grams, 5 ATM water resistant. Battery, 14 days normal use, 8 days always on, 30 hours GPS, wireless charging. Health tracking is insane. Gen 5 heart rate sensor, full HRV status, body battery, advanced sleep with nap detection, stress tracking, women's health, even ECG. Every morning you get a custom report. Sleep score, recovery, suggested workout of the day. Fitness side, 30-plus sports, animated on-screen workouts for strength, HIIT, yoga, Pilates, muscle heat maps, VO2 max, training load, recovery time, personalized daily suggestions. Smart features, built-in mic and speaker for calls, quick text replies, Garmin Pay, onboard music storage for 650 songs, full Spotify, and Deezer control. Connect IQ store for extra faces and apps. I've been living with it for 6 weeks, runs, lifts, swims, sleep, and the data actually changed how I train. Calls sound clear, music streams perfectly, and I forget it's even charging. Pros and cons, real talk. Pros, 14-day battery destroys everything else. AMOLED screen is gorgeous. Health and sleep data are best in class. On-wrist calls and music are game changers. Animated workouts are perfect for home. Premium build feels worth every dollar. Around $450, and it still beats Apple and Samsung on battery and depth. Cons, $450 is real money. No cellular version, stainless is slightly heavier than aluminum, and a couple third-party apps are still catching up. Minor stuff. Do I recommend the Garmin Venu 3? 1000% yes. If you actually train, care about recovery, hate charging every night, or want a watch that looks as good at the office as it does in the gym, this is it. Click the link in the description right now and upgrade your wrist. Quick call to action. If this got you hyped to level up, smash subscribe and the bell so you never miss the next banger. Clicking that affiliate link keeps the reviews coming and costs you nothing. One last reminder, grab the Garmin Venu 3 through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, crew. If this just upgraded your game, drop a like, share with your training partner, or subscribe for more. Stay strong.